Yo, what's up? Good morning, everyone. My name is Charles, and for this video, we'll talk about how to file an income tax return. Questions right here that how to file an income tax return. What are those necessary like forms? What would you do if you are working in a certain agency? What are those steps to file an income tax return if you are a mixed income earner or a business sole proprietorship? I am also an employee and I do some research about those information. Hey guys, stay tuned. Tax. First thing first, what are income tax returns? And actually, before you start filing up the forms and queuing in the line up at Philippine tax filing centers, it should be that you know first what you're heading into. An income tax, according to the Bureau of Internal Revenue, is a tax on a person's income. Tax on a person's income, emoluments, profit arising from property, practice of a profession, the conduct of trade or business, or the pertinent items of gross income. Tax returns is a return of excess taxes that paid during a given tax year. The income tax return must be filed annually by a company or an individual that has received income during the year. Now, who are those people that are subject for that income tax return? And what are the ideas that, who are those people that are subject for that income tax return? The incomes of an individual can be divided into the following categories. As you have noticed in the PowerPoint, there are compensation income. That compensation income is the income that comes from an employer and employee relationship, and like salaries, wages, emoluments, and honoraria, commissions, taxable bonuses, and fringe benefits. All of these fall into this category. The next is consist of business or trade income, fees from the exercise of profession, gains from the sale or exchange of assets, commissions like rental income and other incomes not covered by that is not covered by the compensation income. Next is the passive income. Passive income and other sources of income such as interests from foreign or Philippine currency bank deposits, royalties, prices and other winnings and dividends, capital gains from the sales of shares of stocks, sales of rental property, and informers' rewards are also included here. And citizens of the Philippines whose incomes are derived from sources both within and without the country, so they are also subject for submission of tax. Aliens are taxed similarly as residents, citizens, but only from sources within the Philippines. Okay. Manual filing. Okay. Manual filing. Well, this definitely counts. Manual filing. Do we need this in our time? Yeah, we should know how to do this because we still need to go to the BIR offices and do that stuff out there, and you need a necessary forms for that. Fortunately, you can have these forms from online and you can also download and print the stuff, and they provide everything in the internet. And fortunately, you need to have the form before you go to the BIR office because that is the thing that you need to submit on them. But if you don't have it already, they can give you forms. Yeah, for now on, let us just take a look at this moment. And for marginal income earners, you will need to fill up three copies of BIR form 1701, and you are also need this following documents as you have seen in the PowerPoint. The first is certificate of income tax withheld on compensation, or that is BIR form 2316. The second one is a waiver of a spouse's right to claim an additional exemption, and a duly approved tax debit memo and proof of foreign tax credits. The next is for those individuals who are self-employed or deriving mixed income, you will need to fill up this three copies of BIR form 1701, and these are the following documents are that also needed. The one is certificate of income tax withheld on compensation, BIR, that is a BIR form 2316, and tax debit memo, proof of prior years in excess tax credits, and certificate of income payments not subjected to withholding tax, or that is a BIR form 2304. Page 6 na ta. Okay. Actually, there are different types of BIR forms, as you have noticed. Like for this expanded withholding taxes, final. Don't make yourself confused about it. There are just only few forms that are necessary for every means, for every transactions that you need to fill in. So, yeah. Okay. So guys, and thank you for watching this video. I hope this find you very well, and all of this is for educational purpose only. Thank you.